In this video, I'm going to show you how to post multiple photos on Instagram. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And first, open up your Instagram and tap here on plus icon to start creating your post. Nice photo, like for that. And now, if I want to add more than one photo on that post, Instagram allows me to add up to 10 photos. First, I need to select the first photo, let it be that one, and after that I need to tap on that icon, and these little circles pops up at the top right corner of each photo, and now I can select next photos up to 10, and also I can change the order of that photos. For example, I need the second photo to be the first, so I unselect it, and now I select it again, and now it will be 4. So now I can select up to 10 photos, hit next button, and now I can continue creating my post as I normally do. I can add there some filters, I can add there some signatures, and so on, as any normal post that you create on Instagram. So that's how it works. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.